Why there is pollution in generating energy even though there is solar energy. While solar energy is considered a cleaner and more sustainable source of energy compared to fossil fuels, it is not entirely free from pollution. Here are a few reasons why pollution can still be associated with the generation of solar energy. Manufacturing. The production of solar panels involves various manufacturing processes that can generate pollution. These processes include mining and refining raw materials like silicon, which can lead to the emission of greenhouse gases and other pollutants. Transportation. The transportation of solar panels from manufacturing facilities to installation sites can contribute to pollution. This involves the use of vehicles powered by fossil fuels, which emit greenhouse gases and other pollutants during transportation. Installation and maintenance. The installation and maintenance of solar panels may require the use of heavy machinery, which can contribute to pollution. Additionally, the cleaning agents used to maintain solar panels can have an environmental impact if not handled properly. Energy storage. Solar energy is intermittent, meaning it is not always available when the sun is not shining. To address this issue, energy storage systems, such as batteries, are used to store excess solar energy. The production, use, and disposal of these batteries can result in pollution and environmental concerns. End-of-life disposal. Solar panels have a lifespan of around 25 to 30 years. When they reach the end of their life, proper disposal or recycling is required. If not managed appropriately, the disposal of solar panels can contribute to pollution. It's important to note that while there is some pollution associated with solar energy generation, it is significantly lower compared to conventional fossil fuel-based energy generation. Solar energy still offers significant environmental benefits, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions and dependence on finite fossil fuel resources. Continued research and technological advancements aim to minimize the environmental impact associated with solar energy generation and make it even more sustainable.